Discover the electric revolution. Forget range anxiety in bustling city life. Electric vehicles shine. Short distances, slow speeds, and tight parking? No problem. Electric microcars steal the spotlight, becoming the top choice for millions in urban hubs. Join us as we explore 10 unique electric microcars, unveiling the thrilling world of urban mobility. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe on Project Construct and ring that bell for instant updates. Let's dive into the excitement of this booming market. The electric cars urban mobility microcars. Meet the ZEV Yo-Yo, a game-changer in urban mobility. Created by the Italian-based manufacturer ZEV, this electric microcar made its debut in 2018 and hit production by 2020, thanks to a successful crowdfunding campaign. Weighing in at just 3/4 of a ton, this compact wonder is slightly over 8 feet long, 5 feet wide, and a tad over 5 feet tall. Perfectly tailored for urban life, the ZEV Yo-Yo is nimble enough to navigate and park in the tightest city spaces. Its electric motor delivers a continuous 7.5 kilowatt output, with bursts of up to 22 kilowatts for 30 seconds, propelling it to a top speed of 44 miles per hour. The lithium iron phosphate battery offers a range of up to 93 miles and can be charged at home or using public charging points. While it's not highway ready, with a sub $10,000 starting price, the ZEV Yo-Yo could very well be the future of urban travel. Currently focused on the European market due to stricter emissions regulations and limited parking in cities, ZEV aims to go global in just a few years. Buckle up for the future of efficient, affordable, and eco-friendly urban commuting. ZEV Yo-Yo electric microcar urban mobility revolution. Get ready for the future with the Toyota C+ Pod. Toyota, a pioneer in tech innovation, shook the world with the Prius, making hybrid vehicles a reality. Now, they're back with a revolutionary C+ Pod, tailor-made for Japan's cash car size category, reaping tax benefits and more. Compact and cleverly designed at 8 feet long, 4 feet wide, and 5 feet tall, the C+ Pod boasts a permanent magnet electric motor and a lithium-ion battery tucked beneath the floor for balanced weight distribution. This two-seater marvel covers 93 miles on a single charge, hitting a top speed of 37 miles per hour. Perfect for urban living. Initially targeting corporate clients, Toyota plans to integrate the C+ Pod into its car-sharing service, paving the way for individual purchases by customers in 2022. Get ready to embrace the future of efficient and stylish urban commuting with Toyota's C+ Pod. Toyota Pod urban innovation future of commute. Step into the future with the Terzari Zero. Unveiled in 2009 by the Italian manufacturer Terzari, the Zero is an electric marvel perfect for city living. Compact and agile at almost 9.5 feet long, 5 feet wide, and 4.5 feet tall, this lightweight vehicle is designed for urban convenience. Powered by a lithium iron phosphate battery, the Zero boasts an impressive 87-mile range in its most economical mode, reaching a top speed of 64 miles per hour. Charging up is a breeze, taking just 9 hours for a full charge, and with a 3-phase super-fast power supply, you can hit 80% charge in just 50 minutes. Weighing just over half a ton, this two-seater comes equipped with essential features like a radio, electric windows, and mirrors. Plus, it's not just eco-friendly but wallet-friendly too. Eligible for tax grants and often exempt from congestion or emission charges in many countries. Embrace the sleek and efficient Terzari Zero for a smooth ride into the future. The Terzari Zero electric vehicle city living in style. Get ready for innovation with the SmartTech 42. Smart, the German-based automotive leader in microcars for urban living, introduces the electric drive version of their latest model, the 42. These two-seater wonders, available in 2 or 3 doors, have been making waves since their first London test in 2007. The current 2019 release, the 4th generation, incorporates battery technology seamlessly into its familiar form. Powered by a 17.6 kWh battery, It packs a punch with a range of up to 90 miles and a top speed of 78 miles per hour. The game changer, the battery tech, developed with a little help from Tesla, allowing for a full charge in just a couple of hours. Need a quick boost? An 80% fast charge is possible within just half an hour. Smart Tech 42 is not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of urban commuting, efficient, stylish, and ready for anything. #ETH Smart 42 Urban Innovation Electric Drive Revolution. Discover Exam City, the French sensation in microcar innovation. Since its establishment in 1983, Exam has been on a mission to create microcars tailored for city life. After being acquired by Polaris in 2013, they've fully committed to producing electric vehicles. Leading the charge is the Exam City, a sleek two-seater powered by a 51.4-volt lithium-ion battery. Compact at just 9 feet long, 5 feet wide, and 6 feet tall, this microcar weighs less than half a ton. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour and an impressive 70-mile range, it's designed for efficient city living. But here's the kicker: Exam City goes beyond ownership hassles. They offer licensed-free vehicles, allowing you to simply hire them for use without worrying about extra costs. Join the urban revolution with Exam City, where convenience meets sustainability. #ETH Exam City Microcar Innovation Urban Living Revolution. Introducing the city cars Mia, the British marvel born in 2019 to tackle city restrictions on vehicle emissions. Crafted in response to the growing environmental concerns in the UK, this electric wonder comes in passenger car, box van, or pickup truck styles. Powered by a 72-volt electric motor, the Mia zooms with a top speed of 48.5 miles per hour, thanks to its 10 kilowatt-hour battery, granting an impressive range of 93 miles. Compact and cleverly designed, weighing just over half a ton and measuring a little over 7 feet long and 4 feet wide, the Mia boasts 2 spacious seats and its cozy cabin. Why is it a game changer? The designers intentionally crafted it to be a space-saving genius, claiming it needs less than half the parking space of a traditional car. Parked at a 90-degree angle to the curb, you can squeeze 3 Mias into one parking spot. Though it can't hit the motorways, the Mia is competitively priced, making it the perfect second vehicle for urban living, starting at around $10,000. Meet the future of city commuting with the city cars Mia. City cars Urban Commute Revolution Electric Vehicle Innovation. Step into the future with the Lexus LFSA, unveiled as an electric microcar concept at the 2015 Geneva Motor Show. While not in production yet, it offers a tantalizing glimpse into Lexus's vision for the evolving design of these vehicles in the years to come. Compact at 11 feet long, 5.5 feet wide, and 4.5 feet tall, the LFSA provides enough space for 4 passengers. Smart design features, such as a fixed driver's seat and adjustable steering wheel and pedals, maximize available room in the cabin. With a hologram-style infotainment system and a wide-angle heads-up display, the LFSA exudes a futuristic feel while maintaining its zero-emission credentials. Highly maneuverable and lightweight, the electric version is expected to have a top speed of 40 miles per hour and a range of up to 100 miles. As battery technology improves, Lexus anticipates even greater advancements. The market for electric microcars is already expanding, and the LFSA is a testament to the progress being made. Are these vehicles practical yet? Which one could you see yourself driving? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Project Construct for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Lexus LFSA electric microcar future of mobility.